What's going on, guys? It's me, Emmanuel. I'm back with a brand new video, and today I will show you a quick drawing how to make a bird. So first we're going to start with the number 2, like 2 and 2, that will be 22, like a number. And then you can do like the easy bird. And now we have the number 22 here, and now we have to make a head, like a circle one, like that, right there. And now the next part will be how to make the mouth. So I'm going to start right here and draw a line like going down, and now one is going up like that. In the middle you can draw like a straight line like that, and for the eye you're going to make it circle, and you can color it like black, like that, and we'll finish the product. If you want to pause this video, you can, and you can keep drawing. You can make like an easy bird, and maybe next time I will show you guys a new drawing thing of an animal. And yeah, and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and turn on your post notifications on when I post a new video. And yeah, I'm going to end the video there. See you guys next time. Bye. Peace.